Hello everyone, today is our first practical. Our first practical is of introduction to the hospital and clinical pharmacy laboratory. In this practical, we are going to discuss instruments used in this laboratory. First one is autoclave. Autoclave is automatically locking, what it means, the name really means. In this, there is a steel container in which the temperature and pressure is increased to kill microorganism by using the steam. The principle behind it is an autoclave is device that works on a principle of moist heat sterilization, due to which we use the steam. So it is a moist heat sterilization, wherein saturated steam is generated under pressure in order to kill microorganisms such as bacteria, viruses, and even heat resistant endospores from various types of instruments. So there are three steps to autoclaving. First one is purge phase, in which steam needs to get introduced into the autoclave, so that temperature and pressure is gradually increased. In sterilization phase, due to the increased pressure and temperature, and also the exhaust is closed, so that due to such harsh condition, the bacteria and viruses are get killed. In exhaust phase, the steam is released, that due to which the pressure is reduced, but temperature is remain high, so that we have to take care about removing the lid and taking out the hot contents. So you have to take care about that, and we have to use gloves to do that. Next one is the structure of autoclave. The autoclave has a pressure regulating device which regulates pressure gauge to see its temperature and pressure. The safety valve to reduce the pressure, autoclave lid, handles to handle the container, autoclave body, steam release valve, vacuum release valve, outer stand. Most of the autoclaves are in cylindrical, due to which cylindrical shape is good for autoclaving other than rectangular. We have to take three readings for autoclaving. First one is where we just take 121 degrees Celsius in 15 lbs pressure in 30 minutes. Sterilization can be approached. After 121 degrees Celsius, we have to take 30-minute readings, so that sterilization is achieved at that point, not before that. After 170 degrees Celsius, 16 minutes at 15 lbs pressure. After 125 degrees Celsius at 10 minutes in 20 lbs pressure. Next is hot air oven. An oven provides a temperature higher than that of atmosphere. The temperature range covered by oven is between 50 to 250 degrees Celsius. Next, these are used for rapid evaporation of materials, rapid drying, and for sterilization of articles that can be sterilized by drying. This is used to increase the temperature, and some of the solutes and powder samples are sterilized by this method. Next, we will see the structure. It contains a thermometer to read the temperature, double wall insulated chamber, tray for sample to place the sample in that, asbestos door gasket, timer, next temperature control knob, main on off switch, and high low heating switch. We are going to take three readings for the same. The temperature at 121 degrees Celsius, after 121 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes at pressure 25 lbs, at 110 degrees Celsius for 22 minutes at 16 lbs pressure, and 98 degrees Celsius for 13 minutes at 10 lbs pressure. The readings can vary as per the experiment. Next, the applications of hot air oven. It is used to sterilize the metal equipments. It is commonly used in laboratories to perform research-based operations. Also, it is used in many industries for the drying, baking, and curing process. It is used to sterilize powders and other non-volatile compounds. It is used to sterilize the heat-stable glasswares. Next is HEPA filter. So what is HEPA filter? HEPA is an acronym for high efficiency particulate air. This type of air filter can remove at least 99.97% of dust, pollen, mold, bacteria, and any airborne particles with a size of 0.3 micrometer. Why 0.3 micrometer? Because most of the bacteria are greater than 0.3 micrometers. Some of them, like chlamydia species, are in 0.2 micrometers, but most of the bacteria are greater than 0.3 micrometers. So to remove these bacteria and pollens and dust and smoke, we use HEPA filters to clean the air. So this is the structure of the device. The device contains the exhaust HEPA filter, blower to blow the air, supply HEPA filter, the light, high velocity air barrier, safety glass within and outside the room. Next, the layout of sterile product manufacturing. So what is the structural layout of this sterile product manufacturing? So there are 2 to 3 entry levels. The pre-entry washing should be there. Then airlock. Then the gowning area where we used to change the clothes as per the GMPs. The cross bench. Then airlock system 1, airlock system 2, airlock system 3 to enter into the quality control, and also in the filling and spreading, the sealing area, the compounding area, preparation area, and then inspection and labeling and packaging area. And the last, the product is stored in the quarantine area or the finished good area. So this is up to it. Our next practical we will cover in next lecture.